Hi, everyone. This is Catherine Tran, and I am the Executive Director of the Immigrant Entrepreneurs Summit. We're so excited this year to have our first summit, and it will be held virtually. This year's first summit will be on June 11th, and will target the Minnesota market. However, even if you are a business outside of Minnesota, we encourage you to come join. We have a lot of workshops that we will have that will be geared towards a broader audience. So you will still be able to benefit from the summit. So during this presentation, I'm going to walk you through what to expect, give you a little more information about our history and our growth, and invite you to join us this year on June 11th. So let me share my screen. So a bit about us. We are a nonprofit organization. We started in 2008. Really as an initiative to support small immigrant-owned businesses that were struggling. And the core of what we do is about education, but as it has evolved over the years, it now includes many other components, which I will go through. But our mission is to bring businesses of diverse backgrounds together to share, learn, and celebrate the immigrant entrepreneurship experience and contribution to the overall community. So as I mentioned again, this will be our first summit and will be on June 11th. It will be a full day of content. So starting from 8 a.m., we'll kick off with the opening ceremony. We'll have several different workshops, and we cap the event with our award ceremony, which will be inspirational. So we're very happy to share about these awards. Throughout the day, there will be 10 seminar sessions. Again, this is part of the core of what we do is to educate our community. So the seminars are very much geared towards providing broad knowledge, but also to focus on very practical things that people can learn from. So seminars plus opening ceremony and award ceremony. Business workshops. Community CPA is hosting several different workshops. And then there will be concurrent breakout sessions throughout the time. So, the first workshop session will be at 10 a.m. There will be an 11 a.m. session and then a 1 p.m. session. You can find the full agenda on the virtual platform that we'll be using called Excelivance, excelivance.com/e/IESMN. So yeah, to give you the overview of the IES event, well, we start off the day with the opening ceremony. So this will give you a good understanding of why we do what we do. And then we'll introduce a few different speakers. So Brian McDonald, the district director from the SBA Minnesota office, he'll be talking about the programs that the SBA is doing to support small businesses throughout Minnesota, especially during this time, of course, very critical. The SBA has such an important role in the success of businesses right now. And then we'll also hear from Yana Stockman. She is a transition life coach who focuses on supporting entrepreneurs through their journey. And I'm sure you'll find lots of inspiration from her to kick off the event. And so then we get into the workshops. And so the first one, the first breakout sessions, there will be 4 different workshops happening at the same time. This is the 10 a.m. options. So first is starting a business and licensing, which is hosted by Community CPA. So if you're still thinking about opening a business but don't really know where to start, this workshop is great for you. It's really meant to tell you about what the process looks like, what are the licenses for the particular types of businesses you want, and kind of get you on that road. Another workshop that Community CPA is hosting is on the individual taxpayer identification number, or the ITIN. So doing business with an ITIN number. This is a Spanish workshop that we will have. So for those who are Spanish speakers, it's a great option for you. The third one is on beginning to invest and trade. So this is from Lau, who is the founder of New Start LLC. And so he's an investor. He's been working on trying to create wealth in the community that he lives and works in, but also just his focus is very much on education and empowerment. So if you're thinking of day trading, this is a great place for you to start. And then the last session option that you can pick from is with Scott Andrew Folks. He is an immigration attorney, and he'll be talking about the different types of immigration visas and what it takes to hire immigrants to work in your business. The second breakout session, which will be at 11 a.m. So there are going to be 4 different sessions again with this group. So the first option is with Community CPA. The CEO and managing partner will be talking about 3D tax planning. So if you haven't done tax planning before and are interested in seeing how you can reduce your tax liability, this is a great workshop for you. She's going to go over 3 key aspects of your business that will help you with your taxes as you plan, so that when you go into your taxes, you'll be ready and you'll be able to save. The second is on real estate. So whether you are a realtor or interested in new construction and homestead, Home Seller LLC, they are going to be going through this for our attendees. Monpaj Lee will be the speaker of this. The third session we have is called Flip the Switch. Shift your mindset to turbocharge your business growth. This is from Dennis Stover. He is the CEO of a business called Innovator Mindset. And really, this workshop is about finding the qualities of what makes someone innovative and successful, and trying to learn how to integrate this into your own mindset so that when you're doing your business, you'll be able to be proactive and you'll be able to use these tools to help you. The last session is for this workshop is SEO, search engine friendly optimization, and SEO, search engine friendly websites. This is from Stolber Digital, and they are a company that does marketing. So as an agency that does marketing, they're able to talk about the ways that a website can be optimized so that you can draw traffic for your business. The last set of workshops will be in the afternoon. The 1 p.m. ones, we have, again, 4 different workshops. One is on the IRS resources and focus. So this one is presented by Alan Gregerson, who works for the IRS. He is a liaison, so he's always out in the community to share resources that the IRS has to support small businesses. So he'll be discussing these different resources and the focus of the IRS this year and the coming year. Another workshop from Community CPA, we have what to expect with different types of audits. Now, we know that since the pandemic has happened, there have been a lot of lots of different grants and loans that have come about that come with certain parameters. So this workshop is really to try to address the different types of audits and what you can expect from them, and also how to resolve them successfully. Third workshop in this session will be creating your business exit roadmap. So as you're doing your business, it's always good to have thoughts about sunsetting your business and what that might look like. You know, that's not always a happy thing, but a very important thing to look at as you are approaching your business, that, you know, you can either pass it on to somebody, sell it, or what have you. So this workshop will give you the tools that you need to try to framework that so that you can end your business strong, which is what you want to do. And then the last workshop in this session will be on the essential skills to help navigate change and thrive with Yana. Again, she is that transition life coach. This workshop is very much on navigating difficulties, getting yourself in the right mindset for handling the changes that have come, not just with COVID, but other challenges to business that can happen as well. So again, we will cap off the event with our celebration. And a big part of our celebration is just to get to share the stories of success of immigrant entrepreneurs, to have role models for people to look up to and see success in a diversity of ways. So there are 3 awards with our IES. The first is the Outstanding Immigrant Business Award. So that goes to an immigrant-owned business that serves as a model and inspiration of success on both profit and philanthropy, and that will go to Falafel King. The second is the Immigrant Champion Award, which recognizes a non-immigrant dedicated to making a positive impact on the immigrant community and demonstrating a personal and professional commitment to advocacy. And this will go to Tong Tao, who is part of the St. Paul area chamber. And the last award is the Immigrant Spirit Award, which goes to a first-generation immigrant who has demonstrated a lifelong commitment to professional and business excellence and altruistic pursuits, and has supported the immigrants and larger community. So that will go to Dr. Bruce Corey. Throughout this ceremony, you'll hear their stories of how their journey got started, and we hope that it will be inspiring to you to look up to and connect with these people. Registration, if you are interested in attending the event, I encourage you to do that. We have 2 different ticket types. One is the full access admission. It is $20, and it will give you full access to all the sessions that we just talked about, as well as you will be able to enter for prizes. And you can find out more on our website, iesusa.org. And if you have any questions, you can always feel free to call or email me Catherine at iesusa.org, and my phone number is 515-732-8433. The other option that I didn't mention is that we do have a free ticket option. So for those who are new and you're not necessarily needing to see all the workshops, it is limited in terms of how many sessions you'll be able to attend, but it will give you access to both the opening and the award ceremony, as well as a few select workshops. So either way, we hope to see you at the event. It will be a great one. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you on June 11th. Please do register. Thank you.